Oh, hello, this is Tak Chong from Walk with Tak. I recognize in order for me to cook continuously, I must make cooking to be both fun and efficient. If I can make home cooking into a hobby rather than a chore, then it would be far more easy for me to continue. However, home cooking is a difficult lifestyle to maintain because of the force of the society continue to push us toward fast and processed food. Therefore, home cooking must be fun and enjoyable. But this is very important because it is vital to our health. From my personal standpoint, template cooking is vital in contrast to recipe-based cooking, because through template-based cooking, we can be creative and have fun. I have posted a video describing what is template-based cooking. Please take a look when you have a chance. In this video, I'm going to discuss the Fuyang egg template, which is a very simple template, and to demonstrate how template-based cooking works. For each template, there is a distinct characteristics that describe this entire group of dishes. The Fuyang egg dish, the template is the texture of the egg. Its texture is soft, fluffy, and slightly runny. It is unique among egg dishes. To create this texture, the wok is essential. The following are several dishes that based on this template. For example, the Fuyang egg dish with tomato has the same texture. Similarly, the Fuyang egg dish with onion and mushroom also carries the same texture of the egg. And lastly, here's an interesting dish, is a Fuyang egg dish with tomato and bluebell leaves. Again, the egg has that unique texture. This template can create many different kinds of dishes. Here an example, which is one of my favorite, is a Fuyang egg with shrimp and tomatoes. This is what makes template-based cooking so much more fun because you can learn one basic set of technique and create multiple variations. Let's take a look at the basic elements of this Fuyang egg template. By identifying these elements, you can use them for creating many different versions. First, creating the texture of the egg. The wok is ideal for carrying out this task. The small cook surface at the bottom of the wok is well suited for this particular task, because only certain amount of egg could be cooked at any one time. The curvature of the wok is also important because when you use the wok spatula to push the cooked egg out of the way, the uncooked egg will flow down and fill the space. This is stir fry in slow motion because as the eggs are being pushed away, you continually recycle the cooking process. The end result is to creating a texture of the egg that is soft, fluffy, and slightly runny. The nice thing about it is that in this cooking process, you have full control of the outcome by how quickly, how long, and how fast you're going to stir the egg. Using this template, you can create many versions of this Fuyang egg dish by introducing different kinds of ingredients. Tomatoes are definitely the most popular ingredients to be introduced into the Fuyang egg dish because tomatoes are easily cooked quickly and it just have wonderful flavor. Using this Fuyang egg template, one can introduce many different kinds of ingredients, create almost infinite versions. In comparison to this Fuyang egg template, egg omelette is another similar type of template which again can be modified in many different ways. During my childhood, I was fortunate enough to be around an amazing cook. She is exceptional because she amassed a large number of templates for her to draw from. From my personal experiences, template cooking is definitely the way to go. Not that you're going to cook without recipes. Instead, you convert those recipes into templates that so you can use it to create distinct dishes of your own. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to receive notification of my future video postings. See you next time.